So you really want to get him interested in you. So the first thing I have to ask you is, are you a chocolate bar or are you an orange? Okay, really good question, because there's some women who are chocolate bars. And what they do is they go to the clubs and, they wear very brilliant clothing and, they make eye contact with these guys and they might flip their hair back or back their eyelashes or become so drunk they fall off the stool, or they'll do seductive things like lick the spoon, or they'll even put their fingers in their mouths or begin to pulsate their fingers back and forth in their mouth, and it looks really desperate, it looks really cheap. And what's going to happen is you're probably going to end up, one, having a really bad one night stand with terrible sex, and nobody wants that, and probably an STD or an unwanted pregnancy. And those are the things that you don't want. And so these are the chocolate bars. It's the quick fixes. It's the stuff that gives you that high, and then it causes you to crash, and then it causes you to have these really bad lows. And that's what really sugar does. Sugar in the chocolate bar is highly concentrated. It appeals to the senses. It appeals to the taste buds. And that's it. There's no nutritional value whatsoever. And so when it's gone, it just leaves you feeling empty and alone and fat. It leaves you feeling fat. So what you want to do is you want to be an orange. An orange is fresh, it's ripe, it's juicy. It has sugar in it, which means it tastes really good, but then it offers nutritional value. And that's what you want to do when you come into a relationship. You want to offer some kind of nutritional value. And understand that sex is just the sugar. It's the spike, it's the spice. It's the one thing that you need, the spark, to get everything started. And then what you want to do is kind of take the spark and create a fire. And then once you create this fire, then you want to begin to feed the fire, with your sensuality, with your creativity, with your inspiration. And so what happens is, from what I've seen, is that so many people or so many women have been trained to be the chocolate bar, the candy, the dish, the arm candy, as they say. And so, it's sweet, it's great, but it's temporary. It never lasts. It never lasts because, chocolate and sugar is like that. It gives you a high and then sends you crashing down. So it's a roller coaster ride of extreme highs and extreme lows. And so when you really want to get it interested in you, the first thing that you have to do is understand that initial spark is going to be about sex. Okay, guys want to have sex with you. There's no doubt about it. It's primal. It's part of their primal instincts. They're hardwired that way. It is about sex. Realize that it's never not about sex with men. And so, with that said, the whole thing is you have to come in and nurture them. And, take that and start to turn that desire to have sex into something that's more, which is love. And then that's when you begin to get him really interested in you. And then he's going to look for more than just a one-night stand with you. He's really going to want to be with you because you offered him some sort of nutritional value. So, thanks for tuning in. I'm certainly looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Don't forget to sign up for the Million Marriage Mission at ring.alternativevibrations.com. We're trying to get millions of women married within the next couple of years. So please go ahead and sign in. Also, go and check out my Facebook fan page and get more free videos and free tips on how to get him to put a ring on it. Certainly looking forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you.